Hey everybody, James here, Project Paperweight. Realize I look totally silly right now, but it is cold, cold, cold here in Alabama. Just want to talk to you a little bit about something that is often overlooked on project cars or daily drivers, and that's general maintenance. General maintenance is so easy to do. It usually takes very minimal time and minimal investment, but if you will do it, your life of your car will be so much more extended than it would have been otherwise. Simple things like brake pads, oil changes, brake flushes. Really anything, even taking care of your bushings, which is a bit more of an endeavor, but makes a world of difference in your car, goes so far. So I just want to encourage everybody today that keep in mind your general maintenance. If it's not up to date, just jump on it. It usually takes a couple hours a month to do. If you can spend 2 days on a Saturday just touching up your car, why would you not do that? That's enjoyable time. So other than that, let's take a look at what we did. Got a hold of a Mini Cooper, did some brakes, did some flushes, balanced the tires, made the car drive like a whole new vehicle. So we'll see what that looks like. So as said before, we did brakes, all four, front and back. I balanced all four tires. That's not something everyone can do, but it's part of the general maintenance. It needs to be done for proper tire wear. Did an oil change. That is super easy. It can be done in your driveway with a bottle jack that comes in the trunk of your car when you buy it. All of this took me literally an hour to do everything, start to finish, and it's going to make this car drive like a whole new car. So I want to jump to a different section right now. We're going to have the word of the day. Today's word of the day is John 3:16. It's super simple, super easy, but it's super important. It's the foundation of the gospel, and it's God so loved the world that he gave his only son. He died for your sins. It's because he loved you. He sacrificed the greatest sacrifice he could for you, and that is what love is sacrifice. So even if you don't believe in him, even if you don't love him back, he's there and he loves you, and he just wants you to come to him. So I'm James. This is Project Paperweight. Keep up with your general maintenance. It's very important, and we'll see you next time.